Hello everyone, I'm Shankar, Vijay Sivashankar, CEO of UCMAS Sri Lanka. I'm glad to announce the grand arrival of UCMAS Sri Lanka National Championship 2024. With the great success we had last year, we are making the event even bigger and better this year. The competition is going to be at the Sugatadasa Indoor Stadium on August 10th, 2024 Saturday. I'm inviting all the UCMAS students to register in this competition. This year, we are expecting more than 2,000 students from 60 centers from UCMAS Sri Lanka. To register, contact your UCMAS Center Director or the course instructor. I encourage all the UCMAS students to take part in this event. UCMAS competitions will make you better in school, a winning student. To be a winner, be part of the best program in the world, UCMAS Abacus program. I encourage all of you to register today and start practicing. Transform, shine, win with pride. Thank you.